we drove over here because we figured it was outside of Bishop, lower elevation. Maybe it'd be warmer. It is warmer than where we were, but I don't know if it's warm enough. So we're gonna check it out and then decide if we're gonna stay here or not.
The snow's coming for us right now again.
Yeah, there's a massive storm in the mountains, so.
You're only gonna get the good part. I don't want to fully hurt myself, you know?
Don't hurt yourself at all. Not fully, not partially.
So I'm warming up. I don't want to jump into this bush either. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna hold on to that one.
You want me to give you a boost?
No, I'm gonna go look at the good side over here. How do I look?
Like a pro, obviously.
It is pretty greasy.
You gonna send it or what?
No, I don't want to today. Not in the mood for showing off. This is gonna rip off at some point. That's gonna suck.
Well, it's snowing here now, so it pretty much seals the deal. What? Are we getting tippy?
We might be stuck.
Oh.
We're good. So far.
Oh,
we're stuck.
oh no.
Alright, I was
We're
back.
actually stuck. That was weird.
It's quite a big dip right here.
A dip full of sand, apparently. Come on.
Oh, so close.
Oh, weird.
Nope. Try again.
Come on, come on. There we go.
Well, we're here now.
I mean, we're out of that dip. Now we gotta actually turn around.
Yeah. Should be okay.
At least now we'll have downhill to our advantage. We're trying to go uphill. Anyways, we're clearly not staying here because it's snowing and cold. So, where to next, babe?
Down the mountain. Probably closer to Bishop.
There's some BLM sites on Overlander, so we'll probably end up there. When on the way to camp, if you pass a bakery, you must stop.
Yeah, spend money.
We'll see what they have. This place is supposedly famous. Why is it famous? $15 on
Stuff we
baked goods that we're supposed to be dieting. We're gonna head to camp now and we'll show you what we bought. Welcome to camp. Got a great view. The BLM land. We're going to probably hang out for a little bit.
Eat some bread.
Eat some bread. Enjoy this nice weather that we've driven to.
How hot is it back there? Did we get it to H?
It's 80 degrees. So apparently the bakery does not believe in individual sized portions. So we have a banana nut pound cake that's the size of a small baby. and we bought a blueberry cream cheese Danish because we cannot exercise self-control and get just one thing. What did you try first?
Blueberry strudel? What was it called?
The blueberry cream cheese Danish?
Yeah.
How is it?
Good.
Mmm. Looks good. Good morning. We had a very restful night, other than the people that came and parked literally right next to us at 10 o'clock at night, which was kind of awkward because this is BLM land, so you can literally park anywhere there's an opening. But whatever, they left already today, and we've just been enjoying tea. Greg is now going to go take the motorcycle off and explore the area. We don't have great cell phone service here, so he's gonna see if there's a spot around that's not taken that has better service. Otherwise, we'll just stay here and make do probably. But it's actually pretty nice out. We're happy with the weather, much warmer than where we were yesterday, so it should be cool. This area is really nice.
I remember maybe I released this one first though. That's probably what, but it worked.
Yeah.
I think I did that one first so I could tip it out.
Right.
Dusty, smells like allergies. Alright, life update everybody. Found a new camp. It's actually quite nice out now, even though there's still storms up valley. Or is that down valley? That's up valley. But I want to give you a little pro tip. So we're getting some work done. We moved. We got all the LTEs here. If you're going to be in cold environments, don't bring nanners. They don't do so hot. This is what, 2 nights I think. They're pretty nasty. So we're gonna eat through those. We normally have bananas with it at all times, but they're not real good in cold environment. If you have any pointers to keep them longer, let us know. People say they want to see how we eat.
Loudly. Greg's a loud chewer, so enjoy.
You probably can't hear it.
I am just making a little bit of lunch because we had cake for breakfast. So I figured it's time we eat some real food.
That's not cake.
It is. It says banana nut pound cake on the
call
package.
it banana bread.
Regardless. We need some nutrients, so I am making this recipe that I brought to Tiny Fest. It's really easy, no cook. It's like a mango chicken avocado salad. So I'm doing 2 mangoes, 2 avocados, maybe 1 avocado, haven't decided yet. Can of chicken and a can of garbanzo beans, salt and pepper to taste, and I was supposed to get a lemon. It's supposed to have lemon juice in it too, but I forgot a lemon, so it's my typical way of cooking. I don't have half of what I need, but it ends up tasting just fine.
We are getting fancy tonight, folks. We got some pasta with, what is it? What kind is it?
It's like, what is it?
Cheese and prosciutto?
Yeah, tortellini with pesto.
Tortellini.
are headed out of camp. We were talking about staying another day, but the weather actually looks like it's going to be decent in Mammoth today. So we're going to try to grab a few groceries in Bishop and head up to Mammoth. Maybe hit another hot spring, and then we'll go from there. But we'd like to try to get a little further north today. We'll see what happens. Okay, we made it to the hot spring. There's two guys in there right now, so we are going to have a little breakfast first. Give them some time to have their own little soak. I don't know if they just got here or not, so can eat some food. Greg went to find a spot to poo with a view, and then we'll show you guys the hot springs. Suiting up for this one, huh?
Yeah.
How come?
There's some folks in there, and wasn't able to talk to them. It's clearly as I wanted. So.
Because they speak Spanish.
Because they speak Spanish,
we don't
and I
speak
don't.
much Spanish, so.
But.
Yeah, and they're wearing clothes, so. And we'll figure it out.
It got hotter.
Yeah. How is it?
Hotter.
We are headed out. We had a nice little soak at the hot springs. Met a nice guy, hung out, got some tips for the local area. I'd say this was probably the best one in the valley that we've been to so far, right, babe?
Debatable.
Okay.
That other one has more temperature range ability. This was probably the coolest tub and most secluded.
Yeah, I like the privacy factor.
Yeah.
I'll 100% go for a tub that has no crowds over.
See if we can
more
get back
temperature
out of here
control.
though.
Yeah, we've got a rough road out, so on to the next spot.
Yeah, I don't know if sedans would make it.
Oh, jeez.
I don't know if we're gonna make it.
We have an update. We are in June Lake and we are going to hike to Fern Lake, right?
Yeah.
Pretty sure that's what's happening.
Yeah, that's the closer lake, so that's where we're going.
It's 1 3/4 miles up, 1,500 feet elevation gain, so it's pretty steep, but it's pretty short. It is almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon though, so
It's kind of feels warm in the sun here.
we're gonna try to get this hike done, do a little bit of meandering. I'm snacking first. And then we're going to find camp, probably at some hot springs. We're a bit winded, but we're getting up high, and we just got to Ansel Adam Wilderness Boundary. Woo! That's cool. Alright, not a bad hike. We're here. Beautiful view. We're gonna layer up because that wind is frigid and we are sweaty and cold. We made it. Fern Lake. It's beautiful.
Alright guys, so that wraps up another week of the Drifter Journey Extravaganza. Stay tuned next week. We don't exactly know where we're going, but I think we're headed to some hot springs next. And there's a decent chance we might be going to another van meetup with a bunch of van people. But we don't know yet. So you'll find out in a week or so.
Stay tuned. Please like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. We appreciate your support.
Thank you for watching.